Flowing through the heart of Africa, the Nile River has been a source of life and inspiration for thousands of years. Welcome to our journey along the Nile, the world's longest river and the cradle of some of the most ancient civilizations known to humankind. The Nile River begins its epic journey in the heart of Africa, originating from two main sources, the White Nile and the Blue Nile. The White Nile starts in Lake Victoria, one of the African Great Lakes, while the Blue Nile begins in the Ethiopian highlands at Lake Tana. These two rivers converge in Khartoum, Sudan, to form the Nile, which then continues its northward journey towards Egypt and eventually the Mediterranean Sea. More than just a river, the Nile was the lifeblood of ancient Egypt. It was along its fertile banks that the Egyptians developed one of the most advanced civilizations of the ancient world. The annual flooding of the Nile, known as the inundation, deposited rich, fertile soil along the river's banks, allowing agriculture to thrive. This predictable cycle enabled the Egyptians to grow crops like wheat and barley, providing sustenance for the population and laying the foundation for their wealth and power. The Nile also served as a critical transportation route, connecting Upper and Lower Egypt and facilitating trade and communication. It was on the Nile that the Egyptians moved massive stones to construct their legendary monuments. Today, the Nile continues to be a vital resource for millions of people in 11 countries. It is essential for agriculture, providing water for irrigation, and is a key source of hydroelectric power, particularly in Egypt and Sudan. The construction of the Aswan High Dam in the 1960s was a turning point, controlling the river's flooding and providing year-round irrigation. However, it also brought challenges, such as the displacement of communities and changes to the river's ecosystem. Despite its importance, the Nile faces significant environmental challenges today. Pollution, climate change, and overuse threaten its waters, while political tensions over water rights continue to grow among the countries it traverses. Efforts are being made to manage the Nile's resources more sustainably, but cooperation among nations is crucial to ensure that this ancient river can continue to support life as it has for millennia. The Nile River, with its rich history and enduring significance, is more than just a body of water. It is a testament to the resilience of nature and the civilizations that have flourished along its banks. As we look to the future, the Nile reminds us of the need for harmony between humanity and the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this journey along the Nile. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who are curious about the wonders of our world. This is Artificial Cortex, bringing you stories from across the globe. Until next time, keep exploring.